finally sunny. Alright. Sunny!
Sunny!
It's sunny. Let's go camping.
Yeah.
I love camping.
You love camping?
Yes, I do.
I think Manon is going camping. Yeah, Manon, you're going camping. So, Manon is going camping. And Manon will need things to go camping. What do you need when you go camping?
A tent.
A tent. You need a tent. Okay. You need... What else do you need?
Food.
Food. You also need plates, a pillow, cups, a sleeping bag. All of this vocabulary you will have drilled before, so your students know the vocabulary. Now let's play the game. So, Manon, we will give you camping things, okay? And you'll have to hold on to them. But you can't. You can't use your hands.
Use your hands.
So you have to make a fist. And we'll give you cards. So you can hold the cards like this, or like this, like this. You figure it out. Okay. Us? We'll be the ones giving out cards, okay? So, yeah, you get sleeping bag, firewood, and a tent, okay?
Okay.
Split the cards with as many students as you have, okay? If you have 30 students, print more. You'll get the cooler, toothpaste, water. I'll get flashlight, food, and plates. Okay, excellent. So everyone knows what they have, and we hide it behind our back, okay? And let's go see Manon. So the question will be, do you have Manon, do you have food?
No, I don't.
Okay. Let me give you food. Here you go.
Do you have water?
No, I don't.
No.
Now,
Well,
if Manon drops everything, or even one card, she loses and we change. So,
do you have a tent?
No, I don't. Thank you.
Manon, do you have... You can look at your thing. When you forget what you have. Do you have a flashlight?
Oh, no, I don't.
Okay, here you go. Careful.
Do you have toothpaste?
No, I don't.
Oh.
Do you have a sleeping bag?
No, I don't.
Huh.
Thank you.
Do you have food?
No, I don't.
You already.
Yeah. She does have food, but she forgot. She was supposed to say, yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
No, sorry.
Oh, no.
So you lose. We change entirely. It's going camping. So 2 ways to lose. Either you drop, or even one card, or you forget what you already have. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Bye.